Yeah, 2000 was the minimum survival.
Whoa! Bro! Holy crap!
That might blow up, bro.
Oh shoot! Jeez!
Oh my, yo, you should put it out.
How do I put it out? How do I? I had to like harness him. I had to harness him down so nothing could fall.
Still need some neck support though.
He
fixed him? Yes! He's gonna survive every year.
With a paperclip.
It's not even like actual texture now. Down Tinkers, we have to go up that something elevation.
Oh, that's right. I forgot about that. Like extra climb to get up and over. Shoot. Look at that. Alright, let's go. .8, okay.
2.8 miles an hour.
Not bad. Not bad.
Wait, so this is McAfee's?
Yep.
Tinkers is right over there.
That's that mountain straight off.
There?
Yep. We just go along the ridge.
Oh man.
And then, you see that path to the left? We think that's the trail. So we cross down in that valley.
Oh, I see.
And then that little cutout, we think that's the trail. There's Dragon's Tooth. Just follow that ridge.
Bro.
That's 18
Yeah.
miles tomorrow.
Yep.
Oh, wait, so that shouldn't be an expansion of what they're doing. That quarry's over there.
If you look under the scarf, there's a paper clip that is woven in and out to connect the red to the white.
Oh wow. Oh my goodness. Wow.
And then he has a duct tape diaper because his back is just open. He's got a hurt leg, one hurt eye. He used to have a voice box too.
Oh really? Oh my goodness.
That's not there.
Oh no.
Yeah, just get one like holding his face off the edge.
Yeah.
He's like,
Okay, let's do that.
yeah, come on, get a little close up. Like,
Wait, I gotta get the background.
oh.
And then I need a picture of the whole setup of you fucking Tinkers, we should actually like rope him up and then
Yeah.
like a light toss, but this takes you to like the you ultimately go back to the cave, but this takes you to the road out.
Too. And then chocolate chips really bland.
That,
Yeah. Fire.
Scorched Earth Gap.
I don't get it.
Take them out.
4.9. Look at that green snake boy.
You gonna catch it?
Is it big?
Nah, it's pretty. Well, actually, I don't know how big green snakes get.
It's like pretty. Oh crap. Oh, nice.
Ready?
Okay.
Wow.
Damn.
Dude, whoever spotted that, you got a good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I always stepped on it.
Yeah, just started squirming on the trail and then went off.
Anyone else want him?
Let me see him.
Even if he bites you, it probably won't break
It doesn't
your
look
skin.
venom. Oh,
Yo,
What's up, bro?
That's really cool.
it's like wrapping around your arm.
This looks sick. I've picked up
Like the brown garden snakes are a worm snake, not a green snake.
Yo.
Oh, you see that? You smell that?
Yeah, I do actually.
Yeah. Musking you.
Oh, it's
Perfect.
yeah. Snakes tend to do that.
Yeah,
I
buddy.
can't believe you didn't hear
That was a
snake
good
and wanna
catch.
come
Can't be on the
He
hands.
said, I have.
Where's that goat when we need it? Oh, this is nice. Ah,
Oh shoosh.
thanks, Phil.
Like going right at that drop.
Oh crap! Look at that.
Oh darn! It's the body of water.
Holy shit.
Oh wow.
This is what I want to do.
Yeah.
This is actually the trail. We have to go down that? Oh jeez.
I was about to go down that.
Yeah, it makes sense why they would be down here this far.
South to north is the most popular. I knew we weren't gonna
Yeah, we just passed this Sobo. Saw the AT tag.
more north.
Oh boy, that's gonna be a heck of a climb.
Damn, that's some climbing.
That's it right there.
Back down going down again.
That's why we don't walk anymore. Yeah.
Oh, I see it.
So yeah, this is it right there. Yep. Oh, we made it.
Fuck,
Man, that was no joke.
that was bad.
That climb was awful.
So I fell down. Oh my god. Holy shit.
Oh, that's by the car.
Oh my god. There's also that crack. Yeah, that is far as fuck away.
Wow. We were up there. That was a torturous ridge walk, especially on the way up. Just up and down, and then finally one big up. But we made it though. To prove it, here's a geological survey marker. Yep, 10 hieroglyphs.
Oh yeah. It says like trail claws on it too. I didn't notice that.
So we have to come up this and go all the way down to Dragon's Tooth tomorrow. 18 miles of that. Those ups and downs better not be what we just did.
I'm trying to take an action shot.
It's
It's like really curved.
13,
Oh my.
1392, so 14.
And then how about just to there?
What's up there, yeah?
26.
Oh! That's like a 1,400 foot elevation.
And then at the top it's 3.
Wait, over how many miles is that?
But like the air out. Like they
1.7.
Okay, we are going to get absolutely destroyed tomorrow morning.
2,600 over.
Climb over 1.7 miles.
We're going to get like throttled.
Rest up those thighs.
These rocks right here, you'd just be explaining like this used to be a glacier shelf. And, like, these are all eroded. Yeah, this looks cool.
It just happens.
That's so cool.
Only a couple million years.
Okay, yeah, 0.6 Lamberts Meadow Shelter. Okay.
Tomorrow we'll be going out.
Yep, we'll be going on the A-Lane Trail tomorrow. Alright, so at Scorcher, yep, now we're heading toward Lamberts Meadow. Oh, snowing here.
Oh, shelter time.
Hey Jason, we're just gonna do s'mores down here.
There's no need for us to take the shelter. We don't know who else is on the trail.
What do you got there?
Spanish rice,
Oh,
baby.
nice. Let's go.
$1 for all of this.
That's awesome.
1,600 calories.
Yeah, 2000 was the minimum survival.
Whoa.
Bro,
Holy crap.
that might blow up, bro.
Oh, shoot. Jeez.
Yo, you should put it out.
How do I put it out? How do I
Take some water. Dump
Here,
my
here,
water.
here, here,
Dump my
here.
water on it.
Oh my god. That's not gonna go out.
Throw it in the stream.
You just gotta let
Throw it in
it.
the stream.
You just gotta let it burn out.
Can't put it in the stream. Move that tree at least.
Hey, yeah, grab that stick and push it.
We got our fire, guys. Oh, wait, get it into the camp. Dude, that's bad. Back
That
up.
is really bad. Ran out that quick. Yeah, I was worried it was gonna blow up.
That was a big crack.
Yeah, let's see. Let's see.
Well, yeah, you're not gonna want to touch it anyway. It's hot. So.
Yeah.
Jeez.
At least nothing bad happened.
You're recording.
I was filming the whole time when that
It's actually
happened.
gonna be a good video.
How many like it, but this one is mine.
It's not how big your stick is, it's how you use it.
Well, I'm using this thing fucking perfectly too.
I think that's fun. They're gonna have like a smoky flavor too.
Yeah.
Lots of.
Alright guys, so I'm about to go to bed, but a lot of stuff's been going on. So there's two people that are sleeping at the shelter up there. One of them's a flip-flop through hiker. The other one's a northbound section hiker. And like we were all gathered on the campfire at like 8 o'clock. Like I said, it's 8 o'clock, time to be quiet. I'm like, what? Like 8 o'clock? Like that's like so early. I mean 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock I don't understand, but like 8? What the heck? And they also told us that like 3 days ago, they're like, there's a bear here that like stole some food. So hopefully we don't get, I mean, we have a bear, there's a bear box at the shelter, so we'll be fine for that. But the next matter is worse. One of us was filtering water and they saw a raccoon like scurrying around my tent. They were actually sniffing it. So if I hear it pacing around my tent, I'm really going to assume it's either going to be a bear or a raccoon. So hopefully I get through tonight because that's kind of sketch. But anyway, I will see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow is a big day. We're doing 18 miles tomorrow. We have to go up and over Scorched Earth Gap and descend into like the lowest point on the entire loop and then ascend like 1,600 feet in like 1.7 miles. That's going to be a big climb. And then we're on northbound for like 11 miles all the way down to the Dragon's Tooth trailhead, and then we'll hike maybe like a mile to the campsite. So that's really the plan for tomorrow. It's going to be a long day. Waking up tomorrow at like 6:30, and then we'll be on our way. So, all right, I'll see you guys tomorrow. We're back at the Earth that is scorched gap.
Yeah. Any lane.
Now going A lane.
3.1.
3.12 road. Now waits us the torturous stairs. Let's go. 200 stairs down.
I want the stairs.
Oh yeah. Here they are.
Let's go. 1 of 2.
Yep.
This is the moment.
short up these suck.
Yeah.
Yeah, climbing up, just looking up these things, it's like, fuck, I have to go up that. Like, look how far down it is.
Oh,
Yeah, just look back. Look how close it is.
oh, jeez.
You just come up and you're like, fuck, I have to go up that.
There's North Mountain.
Oh my god.
We have to climb up that.
Look straight ahead, past the trees.
Oh my god.
It's like literally acidic water.
Oh, it's an electric fence apparently. What? Yeah, it says right here. The metal things on both sides.
Oh. Oh, jeez, what's that for that? Nice. Oh, there's the cows over there. Zach, we were all the way up there yesterday.
Look at Tinkers behind us.
Yo, that's crazy.
We were all the way up there.
Sick.
We gotta go up the next one. And now we gotta. That's not
North Mountain. That's some hill.
That's a false ridge.
That is not it.
Like that's all we're going.
I wouldn't mind that.
Does look a little yellow.
We're gonna chill out here and get rested up before making probably the biggest climb of the trip.
Wonder like what they do. Maybe it's an astronaut.
How do you say it? Most difficult. Let's go.
Most difficult, yeah. Catawba Valley Trail, most difficult. Let's go.
I don't like that. That's also squiggly.
Oh, the
Wait,
northbound
why?
trail is all squiggly? Oh, shoot.
Oh shit.
Yeah, look at that one.
13 miles of sharp squiggles.
7 miles.
Yeah.
Dang.
This is the type of biking I like, though. I don't like.
All right.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Relax, squigglies. And now we're going down, yeah.
Yes, we made it. That was the climb. Now begins the 13-mile ridgeline walk.
Hey, did you lose the trail at all, or? Did
I lose the trail?
Yeah, you just keep going, or? You said send me your location.
I can send you my location, yeah.
I mean, we're just kind of waiting on the trail, so you'll run into us if you just keep heading straight. Okay, so 30 minutes, yeah.
All right, we're having lunch after 3 miles after we had that initial break at the campsite. Oh, it's gonna feel so good taking this pack off.
I know, I feel so good. Like,
That lunch break was huge.
This good feeling is gonna end in like 10 minutes.
yeah. It's off the top.
Huh.
Oh, dude, it's like nobody would get it down the
Routes trail.
I found it on my leg. I was like, oh wait, what's that? And then, oh,
You got stung? Shoot. Where?
right here.
Ooh.
Can I grab my water for me?
Yeah. Oh, look at that view over there. Oh, dang.
There you go. Yeah, I've been waiting for a good place for review.
Yeah. There's been no views the entire way. Did you get stung? Shoot.
You got stung too, yeah.
Oh my
It's
goodness.
weird that it's like the fifth person in. Usually it's the first.
I'm like holding up with my long pants.
I think mine was a honeybee because it doesn't hurt.
Okay.
Swell.
Shoot.
You got stung twice this trip.
That's a big rip. So we hiked
So I'm looking up
11 miles for a day. We started here, came down Tinker Mountain, went up North Mountain, and we're all the way here. And then we have that much left to go. Campsites around here, so
what?
more than halfway done, but
Was Smokey the
still got a
actual
ways to
word
go.
copyrighted?
McAfee's is way.
Oh, you can see the Wells Fargo Tower.
Oh my god.
That's sick.
That's a nice view. Pretty far.
McAfee's is right there. Dang. All right, Maze the road. Let's go. Oh.
Bam.
Wow, we just literally just did
I think I have
like
it downloaded.
all of this. Sheesh.
I like to watch the woods when I like go on the display.
Yeah, I'd say around the fire.
It's a warm fire.
Yeah, it might be
It's just a prank though, don't worry.
It's like,
Oh wait, it's actually like ice cream sandwich
yeah.
shaped. Wait, what? That's cool. Is it cold?
Hey, bro, yo, yeah. Yeah, I haul all the way. I got ice, and then I got a mini cooler in my pack. Yeah.
Go get the ice from the parking lot.
Yeah.
It's a rock.
No, you lost some. Not bad, actually. Pretty good.
What would you rate it out of 10?
Give us like a solid 8.
One bite. Everybody knows the rules. 8. Wow, that's high.
Wait.
Like I said, very inactive.
Yeah, your thing is going crazy.
Oh,
No,
Is
do
it,
that,
like,
do
steam a
that.
little
That'll
bit?
make mine even
No,
better.
we'll just go with the
Yeah,
hard
there we
part
go.
still.
Oh! That comes out the cheese. Nice.
We're so amazed by some oozing
I love that. Oh, the pack just. Like,
This morning we
I
were
think
just
30 minutes easily.
chilling.
We can
Just
manage.
being lazy.
So like, wake up what?
Have you ever heard me?
The 5:30?
Especially if we do
4:40.
breakfast.
I'm gonna
up
wake
there.
up at 4:40.
Oh my.
That's a heave.
Oh.
What a beauty.
That is beautiful.
That is actually
That is beautiful. That's so dang high. Alright guys, so I'm about to head to bed. A pretty good day. Pretty tiring day. We ended up doing 15 miles, which was 3 less than what we expected, but it was still a long day. Lots of ups and downs. So tomorrow we're going to be going up to Dragon's Tooth, and we're going to get up early for the to catch the sunrise. We'll probably get at like 4:30, and then we'll pack up, head our way up to like where we can dry our packs, and then go up the rock scrambles, because we're not going to do the scrambles with full packs, so that's going to be way too risky. Yeah, so we're going to do that. Should be a good sunrise tomorrow. I mean, I've done it before. Last time I was up there, it was gorgeous. So can't wait for that tomorrow. So, yep. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. You know, we're going to go for the sunrise and then hike the rest of the loop back to the parking lot, McAfee non-parking lot. So that's about maybe like 8 miles or so. So yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow.
And we'll end up back here.
Oh, sheesh. It's gonna be a good sunrise.
Well, fuck.
Got a jet stream and everything.
That's cool, yeah.
Oh, here's the big boy one.
Oh, this is cool.
Yep.
This is cool. Yeah, this is shit my dad would be like, no!
No, son.
He's like, fuck this, I'm turning around. Jeez.
Next time you see your dad, tell him I got his ass.
Holy shit.
Whoa.
Oh my god.
Dang. Oh my god. Oh. Alright, 0.1 miles. Yeah, there she is. Wow, look at that.
Oh, hello.
Oh, hi.
Dude, no one's nasty. Getting up there, the picture.
Oh, look at the valley fog below. That's sick. We were like all the way down there at Canter Cliffs across the valley.
I got some yellow ones.
Alright, back at Lost Spectacles Gap. Pick up our packs and head down the AT. Oh man, look at that tent. That's massive.
They literally have like windows. They have windows.
Yeah, they have windows. What the? Yep.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yep.
Okay. So there is an overnight group limit of 10.
We're 9 people.
Okay.
It's like messing with like.
Yes, that was my first time seeing an AT Ridge Runner. Those are the people that were forcing the AT rules. We're gonna head down, I think that way, on the ridge and get some cool views and head down to the valley and then go up Sawtooth Ridge back up to the McAfee parking lot. Yes, sir.
Yo, give me the fuck. What's going on?
Came out
Last 7 miles.
Yeah, 7 more miles. Let's go.
I'm gonna die.
Jeez.
Kind of sideways approach.
Yeah, me neither. Oh shit. I'd be able to just fit through. Yeah. Okay. Yep.
Yeah, no cow is getting through that. You are right.
Alright, here's our last road crossing before 311, which is where the trailhead is.
I guess you could do that.
Go ahead.
Don't forget to close the thing.
There's absolutely no way. Not want to get the water from this side. That's some cow water. So it starts.
We were all the way up there earlier. Let's watch the sunrise. Now we're here. Sick.
What are you doing here?
Triple crown.
Sorry, yesterday at Dragon.
Oh.
You got too much further.
Sorry, yesterday you did it in 2 days.
Wow.
Where'd you camp? Sinkers?
No, I camped at the Catawba Mountain.
We might have passed you on North Mountain yesterday.
You might have.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Oh, that's right. Y'all were coming up.
You were coming down.
Oh, y'all did well.
Yeah, we're gonna say 2 days.
You shortened our trip by a day.
Yes! Let's go! We did it!
I only heard about this parking spot in Legend.
Yes! We did the Triple Crown, boys! Yeah! Yeah!
Go, baby!
Oh.
Shit.
That feels good.
Good shit. Good shit. Good shit.
How's it beat?
Let's go, boy!
Enough backpacking for your life.
Yeah, I'm done.
Oh,
This
That's
sweatshirt
it.
thank
did
the
nothing.
heavens.
My hips are so dead.
Dude, we like destroyed the miles today, though.
Yeah,
Oh my
we
God.
crushed
What
it.
time is it? How long did it
Let's
take
see.
us to do 8?
It's 11:48,
We got up 5 hours ago.
and we did like,
We've done already like 9 something. We've done 10.
yeah.
Around 10, yeah.
That's not bad. It's we're like up the Dragon Tooth for like an hour.
So we're on track to do 20 miles today.
Yeah.
We were going like, because like yesterday it took us what, 8 hours to
We
do.
started at Dragon's Tooth. We could get all the way to Tinker's.
Holy
Yeah.
shit.
Definitely not be able to hold that fish.
Yeah.
There's no.
That's how that old guy did it though.
Yeah.